Hello modders, it's me, Silly. I am here to show y'all how to make a modded DLL, or like a mod menu. I do not recommend making this if you have no experience with C#. If you do, that's good. But if you don't, I do not recommend. Also, it is a lengthy process. So I'm just gonna go over the basics now. Not really how to add mods. That might be in a later video. Might be in an advanced tutorial. But it's just the basic getting stuff done. And you will need some sort of computer for this. I recommend Windows. First, you will need, if you go to your browser, I would search up Visual, VISUAL, Studio, STUDIO, Visual Studio. You're gonna click on the first link. You're gonna go to Visual Studio IDE and Code Editor, and I will link, and this will all be in my Discord, so you won't have to manually search it up. Now you're gonna go to downloads. You're gonna want to get, let's see, I want to download. Hold on, gotta open up Discord. Don't worry about all the Discords I'm in. I just do a lot of modding. You're gonna want to go to my Discord. I'll have a channel called How to Make DLLs. PC needed part. Create channel / lock channel how to make DLLs. Boom, it's been locked. But you're gonna want the zip file that I'm gonna put in here. Hopefully it's not too big. Alright. You're gonna want that zip file. You're going to download the zip file. I'm also gonna put some of the code I put into this template into there. But yeah. So now go to your files. Go to download. Now you're gonna right click on IIDK temp quest menu or test. Wow. But yeah, this file. Extract all. You're gonna hit extract. It's gonna extract for a while, just let it do all that. Also, to do this menu, you will need a few extensions. It will, here, let's go to Visual Studio. You're gonna wanna hit modify whenever you install Visual Studio Community 2022. Now you're gonna install Net Development, Net Desktop Development, and Game Development with Unity. You're gonna do those two. You're gonna close out. And if it asks you to install other ones, just go ahead and install it. Those are the only two I've used, but who knows, it could do more. Alright, now you got this template extracted. You're gonna click on it. You're gonna click on it again. And you're gonna open this SLN file. This is going to be your menu. Trust and continue. It's gonna load all your code. And this is just a template. This is not, well, this is the menu, but it's just a template and you're gonna have to add your own stuff. We're gonna do it the silly way in the next video, because that's how I do it. I call it the silly way. So you're gonna open up, first thing you're gonna do is open up plugin info. Now, this is all the info that's going to be on the thing. So whatever you want the top of your file's name to be, you're going to put here. So I'm just going to say Silly's Silly's TUT menu. Boom. And then don't mess with anything else, just so you don't mess anything up. Next, you're gonna go to classes. You're gonna do ext gradient. If you want it to be like the gorilla, like fur texture in your color, you're gonna do this on. You're gonna switch this to. You're gonna delete it and hit true. TRUE. No capitals. So we're just gonna do that. If you want it to be rainbow, you're gonna do the same thing. Or if you want to switch colors, and this will be the order that the colors go in, so black, magenta, black. That's how you change that. And yeah. Next, we're gonna go to menu. And these are buttons. I don't normally keep most of these buttons. I normally get rid of, whenever I'm making a menu, or my menu to be exact, I don't have these two. So I get rid of that and that. I keep these though. I also get rid of these. And let's just say we're gonna want, excuse me. Let's just say we're gonna want grow long arms. We're gonna copy this. And we're gonna paste it down here. Okay, now that we have that pasted, we're going to delete this. And we are going to delete this. And we're going to change those soon. This is just to add a button. So if you want to add a button with a script, so let's just say I wanted, little disclaimer, I was trying to do some stuff that I didn't want in the video, so I just quit until the next part. Don't worry about that. This is just the next part to where I show you guys how my menu works, and the new button that's going to be, well, not button, but the new category that's going to be added. That's really all this is. Just wait till the next part. Alright. So this is what I have. We're gonna copy this. But yeah, that's how you make your menu. Or how you set it up, and then you're gonna have to figure the rest out on your own. See you, and I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye.